Hello and welcome everyone. I am Vishwas Gupta. Today in this video, I will be explaining a case study of ATM system. This is under the subject of OOPM in the third semester of BTech in the second year. So in the second year, we have to do two case studies. One is library management system and one is ATM system. My college had asked to do ATM system, so I have done this on ATM system and I will be explaining you that, and I'm very much thankful to Dr. Vivek Dubey sir. He is the dean of CSE department in our college. He has helped me in this case study. I'm very much thankful to him for his mentorship. So coming to our system, I have used VS Code for this, and I will share the source code later, and I will explain the programming part later. Today I will directly run this program and show you the system how it works. So now I will run this program. So after running, it displays a menu bar. It has 9 options. First one is to create account, second deposit money, third withdraw money, fourth show total balance, and fifth show user data, show ATM data in tabular form, show ATM data in non-tabular form, then in tabular form, and show total ATM balance. And ninth option is to exit. So user will enter a choice and it will take him to that option and it will perform the transaction according to that. I have used these options because our college had asked us to do this transaction, so I have added this. And now, starting from option number one, which is to create account, I will try to register account. I have entered choice one, and I will click enter. It's asking for name. I will enter a name. Let's say I have entered my name, and then it will ask account number. I will enter 11111. I'm entering it so that I can remember it easily for further transactions. And account type, let's say it's saving account. So what it says, account created successfully, minimum balance 500. So whenever I will create account, it will add a minimum balance of 500 into that account. So if I will now coming back to second option, which is to deposit money. So if I have to deposit money into my account, I will use option number two. I will click choice 2, enter. It will ask for account number. So the account number which I have registered is 1111 and 1. Enter. It will ask for deposit amount. Let's say I have to deposit 10,000 rupees into my account. So I have entered the amount as 10,000. I will enter. It says deposit successful, and again it is displaying all the options. So now I will try to withdraw some money from my account. I will enter choice number 3 and I will click enter, and then it will ask again for account number, which is 511111 and 1. I will click enter and it will ask for withdraw amount. Let's say I have to withdraw 5,000 rupees. So I will enter 5,000 and then enter. And what it says, withdrawal successful, and again it displays all the menu. So now let's check balance in our account. Let's see if it is correct or not. So I will enter choice number 4, which is to show total balance, and I will enter my account number 1111 and 1. I have entered it correctly. So what it says, total balance is 5,500, and again it displays all the options. This is total balance 5,500 because 500 was minimum balance, 10,000 I have deposited, and 5,000 I have withdrawn. So available balance is 5,000 at 500. Let's say what happens if I will try to withdraw this whole amount. So I will enter choice number 3, which is to withdraw money. I will enter my account number 1111 and I will try to withdraw the whole money from my account. So I will enter a withdraw amount as 5,500. What it says, minimum balance of 500 must be maintained. So if I will try to withdraw whole amount from my account, it will not do that because a minimum balance of 500 must be maintained into my account. So this is what my system is doing. Now we will move to option number 5. Option number 5 says show user data. So if a user have to see his data, if a user like want to see what his details are and what his balance is, what his account number is. So if any user wants to do that, he can do that easily by entering choice number 5. Then it will ask for account number 11111. uh, it will display all the data. Name Vishwasjit Gupta, account number 11111, account type saving, balance 5500. This was the detail which I have entered while uh, registering my account. Let's say I have to enter one more account. Let's say another user came and he has to open an account, so he can easily do that by clicking option number 1. Option number 1 is to create account. So he will enter choice number 1, enter. It will ask for name. Let's say name is Rahul, and account number, let's say I am entering 22222 so that I can remember it easily. Account type, let's say it's current account. Okay, it says account created successfully, minimum balance 500. So now we will try to deposit some money into this account. I will enter choice number 2. I will enter the account number, which is 222. Okay, and then I will enter the amount. Let's say I have to deposit 20,000 rupees. I have entered 20,000 and enter what it says, deposit successful. Let's say money is deposited or not. So I will enter option number 4. I will enter account number 2222 and 2. So what it says, total balance 20,500. 500 minimum balance which was added at the time of opening registering the account, and 20,000 which I have deposited. So total balance is 20,500. Let's say I have to check the details of the first account, like the first account which was registered. Again I have to check the balance of that account. Then what I will do, I will just enter the choice number 4 to check the balance, and I will enter that account number which I have registered earlier, which was 11111 and 1. Done. It is displaying the balance of first account. In this way I can register many accounts in this ATM. Let's say we have to add more accounts, so I can do that easily. I will enter option number 1, enter. I will, let's say name is Vinay. Okay, Vinay, account number, let's say 33333, and account type saving. I will just try to create some more users, about 5 or 6 users. Then I will display their details to you. So saving done, account created. We will create more accounts. Option number 1, name Ram, account number 4444. This is our third user. 4. This is your fourth user. Uh, account type, let's say current. Enter. We will open more accounts. 1. Enter name, let's say Vicky. Account number 55555. Account type current. We will try to open few more accounts. Option number 1, name, let's say Shivam. Account number, let's say 66666. Okay, I've entered 5 sixes. And then account type, let's say saving. So these all accounts are created. I will try to open one more account. Let's say option number 1, name, let's say Nisu. Okay, account number 7777. This is our 7th user. I am entering account number as 7777 so that I can remember it easily. So moving next, account type, let's say current. So these all accounts are created. Now let's see if there is an employee and he wants to see the details of all the users. So what he will do, he will just come, he will just choose option number 7, he will click enter, and all the details will be displayed. What are the details? User number 1 Vishwas Gupta, user number 2 Rahul, user number 3 Vinay, user number 4 Ram, user number 5 Vicky, user number 6 Shivam, user number 7 Nisu. Their account numbers are mentioned, their account types are mentioned, and their balance are mentioned. All these details are displayed correctly Now if I will add more account, let's say I have added one more account by the name of, let's say, Ravi. Account number, let's say, 8888, and account type current. And okay, now I will try to display the data again. So I will enter option number 7. So see, the 8th user also has been added into the database, and his data is displayed in this table, and all the users are displayed through this table. If anyone want to show it in non-tabular form, so that can be done using option number 6, choice 6, enter. So all the details are there. User 2, name Rahul, account number this, account type this, balance 20,500. So all details are there in non-tabular form. Let's say if employee wants to see the total balance, like balance available in all the accounts, summing up all the balance. So he can easily do that by entering choice number 8, which is show total ATM balance, and then click enter. What it displays? It displays the individual balance of all the users. Vishwas is Gupta 5,500, Rahul 20,500, all these users and their balance, and then it says total balance of all accounts equal to 29,000. This is the total balance in the ATM. So this case study, and through option number 9, the user can exit. If I will click 9 and enter, this is exit. So I have exit now. So this is the case study of ATM system, and I have put these options. You can modify it according to your need. And coming back to programming, this is the code for this case study for this ATM system. I will share this later, and I will explain it later in next video. If anyone wants to see the programming part, they can watch the next video. Thank you very much.